First things first, let's get you guys all up to speed. Yesterday, we spent the day cleaning and prepping the car because I finally got the okay from Evan from Throttle that a transport company was going to come pick up the FJ today. So all we did was power wash the car, since unfortunately I ended up going off-roading unexpectedly, knowing that the FJ was going to be picked up the next day. And then I started unpacking all the unnecessary things from the car. I plan on riding my Honda Grom all the way up to San Diego from Dallas for the big reveal when the FJ is ready. And that's the reason why I'm packing up this motorcycle hitch carrier and my mountain bike, because after the big reveal, we're going to do a long extended road trip back to Texas. So that brings us back to today and why we need bug repellent. It's not working. Hold up. Plan B. Okay, I think we're in the clear.
I'm gonna be on the killer, but I'm gonna be at the front of the Viper.
Perfect. Okay, sounds good. Let me know when you're about 10 minutes away. Okay?
Perfect. I will.
Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye. All right, we'll be here about an hour. All right, so we basically have the FJ all loaded up, and I almost forgot one more thing, and it's my elbow pads and knee pads. I may need this if I do potentially plan on going mountain biking somewhere on the way back. So let's just put it right here. So yeah, the shipping company is coming in about an hour or maybe 45 minutes now. I have to go drive this across the street because he says he's driving a Peterbilt big 18-wheeler and he says it's way too loud for a residential area. So gonna basically drive this over, have my buddy Jeremy come with me so I have a ride back, or I can technically just walk home. It's a quarter mile down the street, maybe not even. Probably bring Charlie to have his dog hair in here for the last time. I feel like I packed fairly light. The only thing I'm really missing is my clothes. I'll figure out my clothes situation later, but for the main stuff, yeah, this is becoming more of a reality. The auto guys, if you're watching, I apologize for all the junk I have in the car. I did my best to keep this as organized and easy as possible to take out, but yeah. Sad to see this thing go, but at the same time, I'm very happy because this thing needs to work. It definitely needs to work. I call this a 10-footer. Well, actually, I won't say it that bad. It's a 5-footer at least. What that means is that from 5 feet away, it looks great. It looks cupped up, mint. But then as you get a little bit closer, you'll start seeing some scratches, some paint fade, some worn out parts. Yeah, everything in here is like high tech for 2008, but in 2022, yeah, not so much. Okay, well, I'm gonna stop this rant. The guy now will probably be here in 30 minutes, so let's double check everything and then let's get this off to San Diego. So Charlie's doing his last ride in the FJ before it turns completely new. Charlie, you excited? Yeah, I'll say he's excited. Let's see where he's at. There he is. Hold on, Charles. Making a U-turn. Alrighty.
Just gonna start taking pictures.
Yep, I got you. Alright, so right now he's just walking around the car, documenting everything to make sure that any pre-existing damage or all that sort. So he's basically just covering his ass. Oh yeah, I was able to get the motorcycle carrier in there.
Oh, you're good. That's good. Okay.
It just fit.
That's good. Better because I'm not gonna be able to put one more car.
Yeah, I'd rather have you make as much money as possible.
Yeah, bro. Going crazy, man.
Yeah.
Going crazy.
Okay, and then signature.
If you want an email, you want to receive the invoice.
Yeah. Oh, this is the first time I ever had a car shipped anywhere. So, cool experience. Thank you, Throttle, for this cool experience. Charlie's right there. So. Oh. I don't think Charlie's impressed. Yeah, overlanding. How much more do you have to lower it?
Like 13.6.
13.6, so basically an extra foot. Looks like Charles found a stick. Yeah, so right now all he did was he lowered it about 1.5 feet to clear the bridges because it was over 14 feet, and most bridges the minimum height is 14, so I believe he put it around 13, you know, just to be safe. Yeah, that's his measuring stick right there. As you can see, there's a 90 to pretend like that's the underneath of a bridge. All set?
You got it, buddy?
All right, well, I appreciate everything, man.
Okay, man.
Take good care of her. She's my baby. You yourself have a safe drive, man.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah. He's now driving over to San Diego. It's supposed to be there, I think, in 2 or 3 days. And we will be there in about 2 to 3 weeks. 2nd week of July. Something along the sorts. So I am now carless. I am now stuck with the Grom. But luckily, Jeremy behind the camera, he works from home, so I can use his MDX anytime, I guess, right?
Yep, anytime.
Or we're just going to walk Charlie everywhere. Cause, look at him.
Got to walk to the dog park now.
We'll let this guy do the rest of his work. I think we got enough footage here. So, yeah, I'm gonna cut the video right here. Appreciate you guys all for watching, and make sure you subscribe to see the adventure on our way there, and our adventure when we picked it up, and the adventure after. Lots of adventures, lots of adventures. Okay, guys, see you later. Peace. I just got stung by a bee.